7 reasons why Japanese live longer than the rest of us. 1. They eat rice over wheat. Studies suggest that rice intake is also associated with lower risk of developing cardiovascular disease while wheat flour increases it. It also typically is free of gut irritants, phytic acid and lectins, which is useful since most people are gluten intolerant. They eat rice in moderation though, since carbs like rice converts to sugar in your body and create sugar spikes, which can be dangerous especially if you are diabetic or pre-diabetic. 2. They use smaller plates, which results in smaller portion sizes. The Japanese curtail not just their food servings, but also the size of their plates. They use the side plates that you use to eat salads and dessert for their main meals. 3. They eat seafood every day. The daily consumption of seafood like fish by Japanese keeps their level of omega-3 to omega-6 in check, which has an anti-inflammatory effect on their body. This helps to keep the prevalence of chronic disease at bay. 4. They drink green tea. Japan ranks amongst the top 10 nations in the world that consume green tea, as most of the tea they consume is green. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, which helps boosts your defense against cancer. It also reduces your risk of heart disease and even increases cognitive function. 5. They do physical activity daily. The Japanese live a very active lifestyle since childhood. In fact, according to the World Health Organization, more than 98% of Japanese children walk or bike to school. This statistic only proves that Japanese children probably get in the recommended 60 minutes of moderate to vigorous physical activity just by going to school and back. 6. Their medical system relies heavily on prevention over cure. While countries across the globe have adopted a medical system that's quick to jump to using antacids and antibiotics, the Japanese still inculcate heavy use of their ancient medical systems that attempt to get to the root of the problem by using healthy habits, herbs and prevention practices. 7. They eat seaweed a lot. A report from the UN states that Japan consumes about 1 lakh tons of seaweed a year, as they add it to their main meals as well as snack on it. A cup of seaweed packs anywhere between 2 to 9 grams of protein, more potassium than banana, and is also a natural source of iodine, which is useful in regulating their thyroid. So these are the 7 reasons why Japanese live longer than the rest of us. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various health-related topics. Wishing you good health in your life. Bye.